Okay, today is going to be simply an update video. I am in the process of cleaning said closet, and what I mean by that is I am opening every single box, and it's actually taking me longer than expected to get everything done. So I was thinking 3 to 4 days, I'll be done. Absolutely not. We're on day 5, but I'm really happy about my closet. I'm really happy about my island. There's so much that I want to share with you guys in terms of this closet, and I will. Guys, I have on my pajamas. I ain't even gonna hold you. I want to show you guys the house, but I have on my pajamas. Today's a very chill day. I don't know if you can see it. Today's a very chill day. I washed my hair last night, so my hair is not done or nothing like that. And I got on my PJs, so don't judge, okay? I just want to come on here and give you guys an update on what's going on so you guys can see it. So let's start from there. So I definitely want to show you guys how it came together. I did help build it, which is crazy to think, y'all. But yeah, it came together really nicely. Your girl got a lot of black. I gotta stay away from buying black stuff because I didn't realize how much black I have. I have at least 30 hangers full of black stuff. And then again, I'm going through me and my fiance's clothes. I kind of have an idea of what he doesn't want to get rid of and what he wants to keep. The next thing that I really want to focus on, which I don't know, y'all, I don't know. Okay, so let me know if this is doing too much. The bathroom vanity area is 164 inches long because I removed the tub where the wall is going to be at. And I normally wouldn't do this, but I hate the fridge just being right here. And I don't know if I want to build something permanent. I was thinking, which I'm going to run it by my fiance too. I was thinking, would it be too much to put that in the bathroom? Would it be too much? Would it be too much? My brain is saying, yeah, it's too much, Nadia. But my brain is always saying, that's genius. Why wouldn't you do that? The only reason is because we don't like to go all the way downstairs to get water. And technically speaking, if it's in the bathroom, it would still be in the room. No, I can't put it there. I was thinking to put it in this side cabinet, but the side cabinet isn't deep enough. So you'll see it kind of protruding out because I do have outlets back there because it was a bedroom. And I'm thinking I could put it in there, but then it'll kind of push out. Will it? Whoa. Don't say it like that. What are you trying to do? In the closet? Yeah. I hate it in that corner. Hold on. Oh my God.
There's no way she just did that. It's perfect.
Oh my. I moved too fast. Oh my goodness.
Hold on, it's okay if I zoom in?
Yeah. It's perfect, right?
That's gorgeous.
Yeah? So I did not solve our issue with poverty, but I think this actually worked out really swanky. And then let me just tell you, in this corner right here, when it gets wallpapered, I want to do a gallery wall of the pictures of me and my fiance. Like, I want the pictures here. I know you guys know. Can y'all see that? Y'all know that I'm not a fan of photography, but I want there to be a whole gallery wall. Just all different assortments, the kids, me, you know, us, the family. I want it to be right here. Oh my gosh. I know my fiance gonna come home and say, what happened, babe? Okay, so I am on the 2nd floor of our house. I'm sharing all of this because my friend came by and she was like, girl, this is a lot of house. And I was like, yeah. She was like, you cannot tell what the house looks like on social media. And it wasn't done like intentionally. I just kind of focus on where I need to focus on, work where I need to work, and show what I need to show. Just so y'all don't think I'm just like whatever. Like, there's a lot that I have to do in trying to get in order. I still have my dog. Baby's picking him up today because our old neighbors, they love them some Deuce too, and they like him to be here. I create content, but I do use my home. I did laundry, and I'm still doing laundry, and there are clothes that just cannot dry. So I do use my railing to dry everything. Now everything is dried, so I will be removing all of this stuff up. That's why I said to y'all, like, I've got so much going on. There's clothes everywhere. And then we just cleared out the laundry room, which is this door right here. There's so much to do in the house. And then this is the hallway also. This is going to be like a simple fix, but I do want to take this arch. That's why there's no trim here. I do want to take this arch and bring it all the way up. Bring this all the way up. I feel like it will invite a little bit more light into this space. As you can see, it is pretty dark. I am currently in our office, and even though we're not renovating the kitchen this year, I feel like we need to start up and then work our way down. What would that look like? That will look like tomorrow we're getting a quote for the windows. So right now in my office, I have 2 windows left and right. I want to cancel those 2 windows out and put a large sensor window. I feel like it will let a lot more light to come in here. These are load bearing walls, and though I can't get rid of them, I can redesign them. And the redesign is going to be, instead of having an opening in the very beginning, it's going to be like my bedroom where it's open centered. I think I like that look a lot better, and I'm going to get rid of all of these arches, because my fiance likes more of a modern style, and the arches honestly are just like way too much. They're all over the house, and so I feel like I may keep some of the arches, but definitely not all. So to pinpoint, right now I'm in the office. We had a dinner party for Valentine's Day, so the table is still here. It was really pretty. I had flowers, everybody came. This is the living room. Once we pass the living, we are then going to be entering into this last and final room, which I am here. This is going to be the sunroom, also dining. And I am going to be building a custom bench behind this wall. There's going to be the huge double doors here. And then I'll have a dining table that's maybe like 70, so that way we can have a formal dining. So if we have like Valentine's Day dinner parties, I don't know, Christmas, we will have like a formal dining space. And so that's what we're currently working on with this lower level. It's really dark down here, and so I don't spend a lot of time in here. Yeah, I'm gonna share with you, these chairs are new. These are from Caracol. I actually, one of my clients was shopping and she found them on TJ Maxx. They were like $600 a piece. Normally they were like $1,200. They're still listed on, I can't think of the website now, but they're still listed on there for $1,200 a piece. But I did find these on, I think it's Marshall's, for $600. And so my fiance was like, I could buy them. So I did. We are now on the 3rd floor. Gym, movie room. I did not realize how big this A-wall projector was, and it is absolutely massive. My fiance loves it, so it's gonna stay. We just have to find a way to reroute some of the outlets so we don't see them hanging the way that they are. But we have done movie night up here, and it is absolutely amazing. This is where we normally stop it. We are in the gym. I have a TV. We need one more mirror. We got to do this. And y'all, listen, here's the thing. I am really trying to not room hop, but depending on where we're at, what company reached out to us to finalize, you know, what they want to sponsor, is why we're kind of room hopping. Um, yeah, we did a pretty good job with the floors. We wasn't on really high momentum. The thing about it is I really can't move a lot of this stuff on my own. So my fiance is the person that really comes in here and helps me out. And when he has to go back to work, things are just like delayed on getting stuff done. But we are close to being done. We have the TV, workout machines, the slat wall. Got to finish just doing a little bit more touch-up paint on there. And then the gym will be situated. But you guys let me know. I'm going to let y'all be the last and final vote along with me and my fiance to say if it's a yay or a nay. The only thing that's bothering me is the handle. And it's not really bothering me. It's just that the fact that it's right there. I don't know. But I do like the fact that if we're in the bed or we're sitting right here, we can just get up. I have to go downstairs and fill this thing up with wine and a little bit of liquor. I don't drink, but when my girls come up here, they be wanting something to sip on. And so I make sure that I have that. I was also supposed to put like 2, maybe 4 champagne glasses here too, but I haven't found anything like really pretty and unique and different. I don't want just a standard flute. I want something that's kind of like, I don't know, a little different. So when I find it, I will get it. But you guys, this is the 6-month update. Still can't believe time is going really, really fast. Before you know it, I'm going to be saying like we've been here for a year, but it feels really good. Permanency feels really, really great. I don't know how you guys feel about it, but to know that things are starting to like really come together and take shape is making me really happy, and it's making me very relaxed. Okay.